Alright guys, welcome back to a new chapter, and this chapter what we're doing is we'll be building a hero section. Alright, so let's go to this link I'll put in the description. Alright, and from here let's go to home, right? And then from here let's copy everything because everything's gonna be UI, right? So not waste much time in the UI, right? And just copy because this is simple text, and there's things, right? There's gonna be box, there's gonna be text, so we'll just return these things. So let's remove everything first of all, and then let's return, and then let's make a parenthesis, and here let's paste it. Right, we'll understand what we're doing here. What we're doing is we simply rendering the text for our hero section, right? So let's fix this first of all, and this is okay. Let's wrap it with another box, and that's it. So what we're doing here is we are using a bunch of components like vertical stack, right? So let's import these components first. So let's go over here, and then comma, and then v stack as capital, and then you're also using add stack, and then text. That's it, right? And for styling text, we are actually using background gradient, right? Like this one, linear, and then there's font size, font weight, and busy clip as text. And also here it is a breakpoint for base and medium screen. And also we're gonna import heading like that. So we're using heading, right? And then the styling are same. We're using use color mode value for a dark and light theme, right? And after that, that's it. Right, so let's import this one first of all from Chakra UI React. So let's go to the top, and let's import it from Chakra UI React, and that's it. Now if we refresh, it's actually, let's refresh it again. It's actually showing the same error. Let's go over here, and everything is working. Let's go over here, and then should work now. Let's refresh. Yeah, it's working. And that's it for this hero section. In our next chapter, we'll be integrating data to showcase our products in a slider.